Hi students, in this video discuss about an introduction to data structures. First of all, what do you mean by data structure? Data structure can be defined as the group of elements which provides an efficient way of storing and organizing the data in the computers so that can be used efficiently. For example, array, linked list, stack, queue, etc. The data structures are widely used in almost every aspect of computer science. I mean operating system, compiler design, artificial intelligence, graphics and many more. The data structures are main part of many computer science algorithms as they enable to programmer to handle the data in the efficient way. It play a vital role of and enhancing the performance of software or program as the main function of the software is to store and retrieve the user data as fast as possible. Next one is some basic terminology. Data structures are building blocks of any program or software. Choosing the appropriate data structures for a program is most difficult task of the programmer. So the following terminology is used as far as data structures are concerned. Data, data items or group items, then record, file, attribute and entity, next then field. The first one is data. Data can be defined as the elementary of the value or collection of values. For example, student name and it's all the data about the student. Next one is group items. Data items which have the subordinate data items is called group items. For example, name of the student can have the first name and last name. Second, record. Record can be defined the collection of various data items. For example, if we talk about the student entity, then the name, address, course, marks can be grouped together from the record of the student. Next one is file. File is a collection of various records of one type of entity. For example, if there are 60 employees in a class, then there will be a record is 20 records, and then related of each record contains data and about the employee. Attribute. Attribute and entity. An entity represents a class containing object and contains various attributes. Each attributes represent the particular property. Then last one is field. Field is a single elementary unit information representing the attribute or entity. Next one is need of data structures. An application of getting complex and amount of data is increasing day by day. They arise the following problems. So the processor speed. So handle a very large amount of data, the high speed processing is required. But as their data is growing day by day, the billions of files per entity, the processor may fail to deal with the amount of data. Data search considered an inventory size of 1116 stores. So the application needs search for the particular item. If need to traverse 1160 items for every time, the result of slowing down the searching process. After that, multiple requests. If the thousands of users are searching the data simultaneously on web server, then there are changes very large server can be used during the process. In order to solve the above problems, the data structures are used. Data is organized through form of the data structure such a way all of that required to be searched and required the data search instantly. Next one is advantages of data structures. The advantages of data structure is efficiency, reusability and abstraction. The first advantages of efficiency. Efficiency is a program depends on the choice of data structures. For example, suppose we have some data and we need to perform the search for a particular record. In that case, if we organize our data in array, we will have to search sequentially of element by element. Hence, using an array may not very efficient here. So, they are better data structures which can make the search problem efficiently, like ordered array or binary search tree or hashing tables. Next advantages is reusability. Reusability means the data structures are reusable. I mean, once we have implemented a particular data structures, we can use it at any other place. Implementation of data structures can be compiled into libraries which can be used in different clients. The last advantages is abstraction. The abstraction is a data structures is specified by the ADT, which provides a level of abstraction. The client program uses the data structure through interface only without getting the implementation details. Thank you, students.